Hey everybody, I just want to point something out. If you're doing trail walking, just be mindful. Right here, it just looks like, like it's dry, a little moist, but, pretty much leaves. But you go over to here and you see this muck. It's like really thick muck in between the leaves. And so you think you're walking on leaves, but underneath of it, it's a lot of this mushy stuff. And over here, you can see I almost fell down the cliff just because it looked like a dry patch of leaves, but it was a bunch of that muck underneath. So just again, and here it's like really flat because it's on the trail and it's more like wet flat. But I'm just saying, be mindful, when you're out on these trails, and make sure you're wearing the right gear. Look at how wet this shoe is and how this one isn't, because I really went deep in that mud. So make sure you're wearing the right gear and you've got, treads on the bottom of your hiking shoes so that you can really reach the ground and have good stability. And even though you are working to have good stability, again, be mindful that sometimes the trails are dry, like right here, but then those other wet patches, it really might be a deep pocket of mud. So be mindful, okay? Have a good one, everybody.